फिंगर का इशारा कर दो मुझे. Assalamualaikum Pakistan. मैं हूँ आजिज जट right now from Runaway Dubai Season 5 Tropical Palm Jumeirah. It's a really great moment for me because when I see the Gift University Gujranwala campus right now in Dubai and they contest for Runaway Dubai Season 5 and really amazing. They win 2 awards in 4. And right now I'm introduced with someone. What's your name? Ramin. Ramin from Gift University Gujranwala campus.
Adia.
Adia from Gujranwala Gift University.
Sana.
Sana from Gift University Gujranwala and you?
Komal Rafiq.
Komal.
Aksam Rafiq.
Aksam Navar and Zafar, right? Okay, so I asked you the question, like what is the image the people thinking about the Pakistan has no talent in the fashion, but you proved with your designers and with your collection. What's your message to all over the world, which people thinking Pakistan has no design sense, they don't have a fashion sense? So what do you want to say to the all people from internationally?
Honestly, everybody in Pakistan or other countries think that Pakistan is a poor country. It is imagined as one of the poor countries. But today we have proved that there were many contestants, but we were we brought 2 contestants and they are the winners. So it is a proud moment for our country.
Thank you so much, Kamal. Aksa. Thank you, Aksa. And I have a next question about that. You perform in International Runway Season 5 ramp and the platform. What you want? You want to like perform on the biggest fashion shows from the Paris, from all over the world, and you bring the Pakistani culture and Asian culture. And what is your message for upcoming future projects? Which one you have it?
Obviously, I started my career from such a big platform and I'm trying my best to get bigger and bigger, and I have built connections with more designers from Paris and other countries. So it is a great experience, and I suggest the upcoming designers that you should also try to come forward.
Thank you, Kaksa. And my last question is that how you feel in Dubai? First time you participate here?
Yes.
Okay. How you feel first time and 2 awards? How is your feeling now?
Disaster.